it there. And then just as you get splashed herself on.
Yeah, like that! Whoa! Got that one on camera. You watch, I'm going to get moment.
Yeah.
Ah! Big one! I'm getting scared just doing this. Don't wait for one! I'm gonna get wet. Woohoo! Why is that so satisfying? Can someone tell me why that's so satisfying? Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Big one coming. Mom, get wet! Get wet! Get wet! Oh, there's a big one over there. Get wet! But I'll go wet, it's your turn to get wet.
No, thank you.
A few minutes later.
Mom, big one, big one, big one.
In your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.